Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with this guy. That's me. I hope you're all really well today. You join us on day 5 of the 12 days of Christmas. And today guys, we're looking at breadsticks, right? So you think of a breadstick, you think of a very boring, well, breadstick. I'll put a picture up here, you can see it. But what I'm thinking of doing is just maybe pimping up for the Christmas season. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a pre-made pizza dough, because again we're all about speed now on the 12 days of Christmas. We want to be able to enjoy it with our friends and family and have a few drinks and be merry and all that. So pre-made pizza dough, a cheddar and mozzarella mix or any sort of cheese you like, and some rosemary for the herb, right? And an egg. That's all you're going to need to make these fantastic looking breadsticks. Let's get into it, shall we? Put my egg wash on. So just one beaten egg, right?
Look at all the Christmas lights, how they paint this town in colors, but they hold nothing next to you, 'cause you're shining like no other. Ooh, I don't want what's wrapped in paper. No, I don't long for gifts of gold, but I'll be home for you. Oh, I'll be home for you. And I'll be home for you. I'll be home for you.
Okay, absolutely fantastic. So, bring over air fryer. Guys, so we have our air fryer here. No problem, just putting a bit of grease proof on the bottom there, just so that the breadsticks don't stick. Stick that on 200C for, say, only about 5 minutes. Right, so the timer's gone, it's only been about 5 or 7 minutes or so. And let's have a look. Yes. Just look at that, guys. Right, give it a taste, right? Now, again, lovely. Oh yeah. So good. The cheese. Fantastic.
What is this?
Breadsticks.
Oh, they're nice.
Alright.
They're really nice.
And they took 5 minutes. I'm just saying they're perfect for like,
Drinks.
yeah,
Hammer lights outside again.
exactly.
They're really nice. For the air fryer.
Yeah.
That's really clever.
This is ideal for like nibbles, drinks. If you're having people in over Christmas, which we can now. Apparently, lockdown is over.
Semi-lifted.
Semi-lifted. Yeah. You like them,
Very yum.
guys? Thanks again. See you next time in about 2 days.